Right. I either feel 100% alive or 100% dead. 3, 2, 1, go.
Growing up, I was always very outdoorsy. I was probably more of a tomboy growing up than a girly girl. And I just thrived being outside and playing in the back lane with just a skateboard and a cardboard box. Just loved being outside and feeling the sun on my skin and the air, the fresh air running through my hair. And now as an adult, I love to be outside in the summer, exploring the local area and just feeling so at peace and at ease being indulged in nature. And living in the Welsh mountains, it is such a beautiful time to explore. I feel so blessed to live in such a beautiful green area. And always leave feeling so peaceful and so at ease. Welcome to a slow summer's day.
Come on, we don't want a wet dog in the tent tonight.
A trip into nature for me feels like this mental pause, this washing clean of the slate, this space where I can take a full inhale and actually breathe clearly and freely, maybe for the first time in my week, just to feel surrounded by so much space that I feel my mental clutter just drifting away. A time where I can just physically and mentally be where my feet are. And sometimes it takes me a little while to settle into that space where suddenly I don't need to do anything or be anywhere or actually be doing anything, but to be exactly where I am, taking in the surroundings, breathing in the fresh air, feeling that skin warming with the sun rays.
How do I know which way's which, Gaff? No.
And then pull the colour code of grey over grey.
Oh. Oh, don't worry about my camera, just worry about yours. Take my pants off my head.
You use the end sheet, and grey's on the grey and red's on the red. Inside out, but.
Are you sure? No, it's not.
They grey on grey, red on red.
I forgot to turn it around. Are you kidding me? Why is everything I do? Why is everything I do the wrong way?
I know the bones in that.
The next morning, I continued with the calamity show and accidentally broke the burner, but we managed to have a cup of coffee, so it wasn't all lost. But we had a lovely night surrounded by not too many bugs and woke up to this gorgeous view. I then spent the morning journaling and sitting by the water and just basking in the Welsh summer sun, because let me tell you, it does not last for long, but when it comes out, it is so beautiful and so glorious. It was so quiet around this area, and you really could listen to the water just lapping at the edges, and I fully took advantage of being able to sit in silence and just taking my surroundings. Journaling has become such a commitment for me and something that I actually wake up and look forward to. I began it probably 4 years ago and I haven't stopped since. It's the first thing I do when I wake up in the morning, and it's like another form of therapy. I usually write my thoughts or ideas, and honestly, the most creative ideas that I come up with are usually first thing in the morning, before looking at my phone and before even talking to anybody. So this time is really precious to me, and I use it as almost a creative session, although sometimes it can be just streaming consciousness and getting my thoughts and worries just down on those pages. We then pumped up the paddle boards and spent the morning luxuriating on this gorgeous body of water. And it was Tyson's first time on a paddleboard, and he ran straight onto the paddleboard. It was so heartwarming to watch. Bless his little soul. We spent the rest of the day enjoying the area and couldn't leave without a dip in this gorgeous body of water. It was not as cold as you think, or not as cold as I thought it would be, but it was so refreshing and so needed. If there's one thing that I took away from this weekend in nature, it was to turn my phone on to do not disturb more often. And if you want to capture the moment or take a photo, to really use a camera instead of my phone. When you are having days out, there really is no one you need to get back to. There's no work you need to do, and there's no one really that you need to contact. And having that separation, that little bit of space to yourself, allows you to fully divulge in the moment and be where you are. To be where you are. The second thing that I am taking away from this weekend is to just laugh more often, to not take life too seriously, and to really be playful and bring playfulness into your relationship, into your life, and to not really take life too seriously. There really is so much you can enjoy and be playful about when you welcome it. Thank you for being here. I'll see you soon.